Hi, welcome to At Your Source channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up albums in your Oppo A16. To set up albums and manage your photo, just go down and search for the application Photos here. And there you have all your photos. There you have some settings for it. You can edit to make something special for the photo, like collage and many more. There you have an option album here, and you can create here a new album or edit existed. So let's try to create a new album. GSM, save it, and you can add the photo to your album. Yep, and as you see, we have our album here. Let's try to manage some. Edit. We can edit existed it. We can rename it, move it. Yep. Albums. To the more albums. Settings. So there is some settings about albums and photo. You can explore all the place and the people which you have on the photo. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!